After you've set up your agent, the next thing you'll want to do is add an audience to your project. Think of your audience as the list of contacts you intend to reach out to. So, right next to the Agents tab, you'll spot the Audience tab. This is where you can add and manage your audience lists. To start, click on Add a New Audience. Now you'll need to name your audience list. For example, you might call it something like Seattle Area Leads. At this point, you'll upload your list of leads in an Excel format. You can download a sample Excel file here, which shows the required format for your list of numbers. After organizing your contacts in this format, you can upload the file. Alternatively, you can add contacts manually if you prefer. For larger files, it's easier to upload them directly as an Excel file. Once you've uploaded the file, hit Save, and your list will be successfully saved and uploaded. You'll then have the option to view your list right there. Additionally, you can download the specific list you need or make edits to a particular audience. And that's how you go about adding audience lists to your campaign.